Hey everyone! Today's video is about an online program called the Elon Code. This website claims to help you develop a powerful mindset inspired by Elon Musk. But what exactly is it? And is it worth your time or money? Let's understand it in simple words. The Elon Code is promoted as a digital self improvement system. According to the site, it uses short daily audio sessions that are designed to improve your focus, creativity, confidence, and decision making ability. The creators say that by listening to this program regularly, your brain can be rewired for success and high performance. The program is marketed with big promises like sharper mental clarity, better problem solving skills, increased motivation, and even building a so called billionaire mindset. It also advertises a 90-day money back guarantee, which they present as a risk free offer. But here's an important thing to note. The program does not appear to be officially connected to Elon Musk or any of his companies. The name Elon is mainly used for marketing appeal, so viewers should not assume it is personally endorsed by him. Now, talking about results, online opinions are mixed. Some users feel the audios are motivational and help them stay disciplined. Others say there is no independent scientific proof that special audio alone can make someone rich or successful. So, my honest view is this. If you are looking for motivation or mindset coaching, it may provide some useful tips. But don't treat it like a magic shortcut to wealth. Real success still depends on your hard work, skills, and consistency. Before buying any such program, always do proper research and keep realistic expectations. That was the simple explanation and review of the Elon Code. If you want more videos like this on online programs and tools, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.